Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make coffee milk bread with coffee buttercream. Okay, so itong bread na to is a Japanese bread, and this is a very soft and very springy bread. So yung taste niya is a slightly sweet flavor lang siya, pero magugustuhan nyo. So, bakit nga ba soft and bouncy ang texture ng milk bread? Kasi meron silang ginagawang method para maging soft and bouncy siya. So, tinatawag nila yon na Yudane, parang tansong method. So, gagawa muna kayo ng Yudane the day before kayo gumawa ng bread. So, kailangan nyo lang ng 50 grams of bread flour, and then 40 ml of boiling water. So, kailangan natin gumamit, ng temperature para matingnan natin kung nag-reach na ba sa 194 degrees Fahrenheit yung ating boiling water. So, kailangan ma-reach natin yun or above 194 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, pagka na-reach nyo na yung temperature na yon, pwede nyo nang i-mix yun sa ating bread flour. And then, mix it well hanggang mag-form na siya into a sticky dough. And then, ibabalot lang, pag naka-form nyo na kayo ng sticky dough, ibabalot nyo lang siya sa cling wrap. And then, let it rest for 1 day to 8 hours. Then, ilagay na natin siya sa fridge. Doon natin siya i-rest ng 1 day to 8 hours. After a day or 8 hours, i-prepare naman natin yung ating coffee mixture. So, kailangan lang natin ng 1 tablespoon of warm milk and then 3/4 teaspoon of instant coffee. So, you can use any kind of instant coffee. So, i-dissolve lang natin yung coffee doon sa warm milk. Kailangan dissolve siya dahil ayaw nating buo-buo siya pag nilagay natin sa ating flour mixture. So, in a bowl, pag samasamahin natin yung ating warm milk or kahit yung room temperature lang ng milk, and then the sugar, and then yung ating dry yeast, butter, unsalted butter, and then, yung ating coffee mixture. So, ihalo na natin siya dyan. And then, tsaka natin ilalagay yung ating Yudane na pinarest ng 8 hours sa fridge. So, kailangan pira-pirasuhin natin yung Yudane pag nilagay natin sa bowl. At saka lalagay na natin yung ating bread flour on top of the wet ingredients. And then, yung ating salt. And then, i-mix lang natin siya bago natin ilagay sa mixer. So, kung wala kayong electric mixer, pwede nyong i-knead ito by hand for about maybe 25 to 30 minutes. Kasi, pagka ang mixer ang gamit ko, ini-knead ko siya ng 20 minutes to be exact. So, pagka after 20 minutes, okay na yung dough nyo. So, ayan. Ilagay nyo na yung inyong hook. And then, mix it for 20 minutes. So, after 20 minutes of kneading, so check natin yung ating dough. So, tingnan natin kung elastic na ba siya. Kung hindi na dumidikit sa kamay natin. Okay, so mag-window pane test kayo. So, kung in-stretch nyo, hindi na butas sa gitna, it means ready na yung dough nyo. So, normally naman after 20 minutes of kneading sa mixer, okay na yan. So, just roll the dough around and place the dough into a greased bowl, and then i-wrap nyo ng cling wrap or takpan nyo ng tea towel. Then let it rest for 45 to 1 hour. Then after 1 hour, ayan, nag-double na yung size ng inyong dough. So use your finger to test if the dough has risen by dusting your finger with flour and then ipoke nyo. And then if the dough doesn't bounce back and the hole you poked stays there, it is ready. So, maglagay tayo ng konting flour. Mag-dust tayo ng flour sa ating working table. And then place your dough. And then, ikakat natin siya into 4 equal parts. Or maybe, pwede ring 2 equal parts. With a scraper. And then, roll nyo yung dough nyo into a ball-like. I-shape nyo yung dough into a ball-like. And then, let it rest for 20 minutes. While waiting for 20 minutes, ayan, i-grease natin yung ating pan or tin with butter or oil. And then, para ready na siya pagka as soon as na nag-rise na yung ating dough. So, after 20 minutes, bench time, ayan. Ayan na yung ating dough. So, roll out each dough to about 8-inch long or 8-inch long rectangle or oblong with a rolling pin. So, just press it down with your rolling pin and then hanggang maka 8-inch long kayo. And then, i-fold natin both side. Yung left and right side. And then, do not let any air in the center from left to right. Then, rotate the dough 90 degrees and roll it from the end and then place it in your pan. So, dapat ganito ang itsura niya. And then, cover na natin siya ng tea cloth or wet towel for about, i-rise natin siya ng 30 to 45 minutes. Okay? So, i-preheat na natin yung oven natin ng 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayan, pag nag-rise na siya, when your dough has risen to be level with the tin or pan, ready na yan. So, i-egg wash na natin. And then, i-bake na natin siya ng 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so after 25 to 30 minutes, ayan na, ready na yung ating dough. So, remove the bread from the tin or a loaf pan to cool it down on the rack. Ayan. So, kailangan tanggalin natin kaagad kasi para hindi mag-moist sa ilalim, hindi parang very wet. Ayan. Okay na. Diba? Malambot. Ayan. Tingnan mo. Mainit pa. Nagmamadali. Ayan. So, pagka medyo cool down na siya, pwede nyo na siyang i-separate from each other. Excited lang ang lola nyo. Ayan, kaya, ayan very springy siya. Gawa na tayo ng coffee flavor buttercream. So, kailangan lang natin ng hot water, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. So, i-dissolve lang natin yung instant coffee sa hot water, 1 tablespoon of hot water hanggang ma-dissolve. Ayan, so, kailangan dissolve na dissolve, no? So, in a bowl, kailangan natin ng 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and then 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar. And then, i-whisk lang natin siya hanggang maging fluffy. Maging creamy na siya. Maging creamy na yung ating butter and sugar filling. Then, ilagay na natin yung ating coffee mixture and then mix natin siya ulit hanggang ma-mix na natin lahat. Ayan. Hanggang maging creamy na siya, maging fluffy na yung icing or coffee cream. Ayan. So, dapat ganyan. Okay. So, iset aside nyo na siya. Ilagay natin siya sa lalagay na natin siya sa piping bag. So, using your serrated knife, i-slice na natin yung ating bread. Okay guys, so, notice nyo yung ating bread, merong sa gitna, may butas sa gitna. Kasi, kaya nangyayari yan, dahil hindi natin na-fold ng maigi yung ating bread, yung ating dough. So, kailangan walang air sa center. So, kaya may butas yan kasi may air sa center ng finold. So, that's why i-fold nyo tightly. So, ayan. So, hiwalay-hiwalay na natin siya once na slice na natin siya. And then, lalagyan na natin siya ng coffee flavored buttercream. Yan. So, okay tong bread na to kasi yung bread hindi masyadong matamis. So, yung ang magpapatamis dyan yung ating cream, coffee cream. Okay, so ayan, i-dust lang natin siya ng cinnamon powder. Yan, or cocoa powder if you like. And then, ready to eat na. So, very springy and very soft talaga tong bread na to. Magugustuhan nyo. Yan. Lalo na yung palaman niya na butter, coffee, buttercream. Ayan. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like my recipe for today. And thank you for watching.